So if I look at the atmosphere editor, you can go and create a new one all day long. So create a new environment and then go pick an image. So let's actually, we could do that. Let's see if I've been someplace. Nope. And materials, background spherical. Let's try using this driveway one. Actually, I think I'll use a HDR. So I do have some HDR versions. So let's do that. So high dynamic range instead. And oh, I thought I had more in here. I don't have the driveway. Well, I'll use the garage. And if now I'd have to go in here and say that this is going to use this untitled. Untitled 1. So untitled 1. So now it's sitting in the garage, and I can go in and change. And by the way, I'm actually in what will be update 16, and we hope to be able to have a beta for you guys to try. So what I'm showing might not work as fluid as in 15, to be able to go in and make the edits and move your environment. So let's change this azimuth. And you can kind of see that it's moving what I see around. And I think that this is going to end up being backwards. In fact, let's make this 30. Yeah. See, this is backwards back here, so not a problem. You can mirror it. Of course, now I got to rotate it around. Let's do 60. Actually looks kind of cool with the garage. Not a bad environment. Oh, I think that by default this is going to be low, and it only goes to 1, and that's pretty darn dark. So be aware that you can make it higher, like I had it at 8. So if you want to have more light coming from the environment, you can just crank this up. And I find that if I'm doing an exterior scene, I've gone as high as 30, 40, 50 on the intensity. But that looks pretty cool.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.